are so
It didn't kick me out this time. And this server ain't fresh at all. Money.
Is this one of your favorite maps? Then hit the favorite
Ciao.
button. It's simple.
Alright, I'm gonna go grab my loadout. Okay, this sucks. Favorite shotgun of all time. That grabbing the shockwaves. Alright, this is the meta loadout, by the way. Meta loadout. Finally! Oh my gosh, it's been long enough! Alright, let's go destroy these little timmies. Dang, bro, dang! Okay. Dang. Okay, bro, okay. Chill. See, that's why you died. That's what you get, bro. See, don't mess with me! You too. You get some as well. Okay, bro, it's just a game. I need to calm down.
Supply drop arrives in 60 seconds.
Okay, how are you not dead yet? Wait. Okay, I hit all my shots. Pretend I hit all my shots, alright? No, I did hit my shots. Ignore that, okay? Don't mess! The shotgun is too overpowered. I'm telling you. Hey, you wanna go, bro? Oh, wait, where did he go? Get out of here! You too! Okay, someone grab that AR. Whoever's AR is that, just grab it.
Supply drop arrives in.
That's all you, bro. That's all you. That's all you.
4, 3, 2, 1.
monster elimination.
Where are you looking at? Where? Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, it's the same shot. I really thought that was a new mythic from the new season that I didn't even know about. You're not running! You're not running from me, bro! Get out of here! Who does this guy think he is? This ain't my wall? Oh my goodness! This shotgun needs to be nerfed ASAP, bro. It's too overpowered, I'm telling you. Like, look at that, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy work. What? Ow. Got my revenge. Brother. Brother. Brother! Okay, Ooh. I got my mammoth. Brother, stop running away. Brother.
Ace.
W video, right? No. Yes. Wait, you're already leader? Feels like you joined a week ago. Dude. You really asked the K-pop Demon Hunter Discord server to see if your video was good. Well, yeah, because I have
Brother, and you're over here playing some Among Us with your boys and gals. Like, what is wrong with you?